Welcome to today's feature on an extraordinary business philosophy that transformed a modest Japanese company into a global leader. This is the story of Kazuo Inamori and his pioneering Amoeba Management strategy, a system that reshaped the landscape of corporate management and led Kyocera to its astounding global success. Kazuo Inamori, though a household name in Japan, remains relatively unknown outside his country. His innovative management style, however, has had a profound impact on how businesses operate worldwide, introducing a new way of thinking about work and organizational structure. In 1959, in a small workshop in Kyoto, Kazuo Inamori founded what would become Kyocera. Starting with ceramics, the company quickly grew, thanks largely to Inamori's unconventional approach to business management. This approach was later named Amoeba Management, for its division of a company into small autonomous units, much like the biological amoeba that splits to multiply. Amoeba management involves dividing an organization into multiple small units or amoebas. Each of these operates almost as a mini-company within the larger corporate body, responsible for its own budgeting, profits, and losses. This structure fosters a deep sense of responsibility among team members, as each unit's performance directly impacts its survival and growth. This groundbreaking approach transformed Kyocera from a local enterprise into an international powerhouse. It allowed for quick adaptations to changing market conditions, enabled faster decision-making, and encouraged a level of employee involvement and motivation that was unprecedented at the time. Experts have noted that the success of Amoeba management lies in its empowerment of individuals. Each Amoeba leader acts as a mini CEO, making strategic decisions that best fit their unit's specific circumstances, which cultivates a strong entrepreneurial spirit across the entire organization. Kyocera's expansion under Inamori's guidance was not just about business growth, but also about innovation and diversification. The company ventured into electronics, telecommunications, and information technology, each time applying the Amoeba management principles to carve out a significant presence in these industries. As Kyocera grew, so did its reputation for being a place where creativity and independence were highly valued. The Amoebas operated with a high degree of freedom, which sparked innovation and drove the development of new products and technologies that kept Kyocera at the forefront of its industries. Moreover, Inamori's philosophy extended beyond business metrics. He instilled values of fairness, moral integrity, and a commitment to societal good in Kyocera's culture. This holistic approach to business management has made Kyocera not only a leader in multiple industries, but also a respected entity in terms of corporate ethics and community involvement. Even after his retirement as chairman in 1997, Inamori's influence remained strong, with his management practices continuing to guide Kyocera. His teachings and philosophies on leadership and ethics are studied by business leaders and academics around the world, proving that his impact goes beyond just the companies he founded. In conclusion, Kazuo Inamori's Amoeba management revolutionized the way businesses operate, championing a blend of individual accountability and collective success. His legacy is a testament to the power of innovative thinking in achieving extraordinary outcomes, not just in business, but in the broader societal context as well. One individual who mirrors the career, philosophy, and proactive approach of Kazuo Inamori is Ingvar Kamprad, the founder of IKEA, the Swedish furniture giant. Like Inamori, Kamprad's business practices and innovative management philosophies significantly altered the landscape of his industry. Today we explore the life and legacy of Ingvar Kamprad, a name synonymous with revolutionary business practices in the retail sector. Much like Kazuo Inamori, Kamprad's unique vision and entrepreneurial spirit have left an indelible mark on global business, but through the lens of affordable furniture and home goods. Born in 1926 in Sweden, Ingvar Kamprad exhibited entrepreneurial skills from an early age, starting his business journey by selling matches to neighbors from his bicycle. He founded IKEA at just 17, a company that would grow to redefine furniture shopping globally. His vision was to create quality, affordable products available to everyone, reflecting a democratic design principle. Kamprad introduced flat-pack furniture, a revolutionary concept that drastically reduced costs and made furniture assembly straightforward for consumers worldwide. This idea, while simple, was as groundbreaking in retail as Inamori's Amoeba management was in corporate management, enabling rapid expansion and customer empowerment. Like Inamori's focus on autonomy within Kyocera, Kamprad believes strongly in simplicity and cost control. He maintained a frugal lifestyle, which echoed throughout IKEA's corporate culture, emphasizing cost efficiency and resourcefulness. Kamprad's philosophy was not just about making products cheaper, but optimizing the entire value chain to sustain low prices. Kamprad's approach extended to a deep commitment to company culture. one that fosters humility, responsibility, and teamwork. He often spoke about the importance of a down-to-earth, get-things-done attitude, which he insisted would drive IKEA's success far more than relying solely on formal business knowledge. Under Kamprad's guidance, IKEA grew into a global brand with hundreds of stores worldwide, much as Kyocera expanded under Inamori. Both leaders transformed their businesses with innovative practices and expanded globally, but they also focused intensely on the ethical implications of their business operations and the welfare of their employees. Ingvar Kamprad's legacy, like that of Kazuo Inamori, is profound. He changed not just how products are sold and consumed, but also how people work within large-scale retail operations. His principles of cost control, product accessibility, and efficient operations continue to influence the retail industry and beyond. Ingvar Kamprad's story is a testament to the power of innovation, rooted in simple, strong principles that address basic human needs and practices. His work, much like Inamori's, showcases how visionary ideas can lead to practices that transcend the original business and become benchmarks in their industries. Thank you for joining us to learn about Ingvar Kamprad, whose life and business strategies remind us of the powerful impact of innovative, forward-thinking leadership. For more stories about transformative business leaders, make sure to subscribe to our channel.